What are you learning today at this field trip? What are your takeaways?
The carbon dioxide in the air movements.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
We're also learning about how like whenever you put like this like slime stuff, it's like iron slime. You put it against this thing and it takes out all the iron stuff in it, so it turns like pink.
How are you finding this field trip meaningful today? What are you getting out of this?
I find it meaningful because it teaches you how they like build their machines and how they package them, and it also teaches you safety.